Alrighty, so that's the company I'm working for. That's the trailer I'm hauling. This is my car right here, but Orozco, or yeah, I think that's how you pronounce it. So it's a Volvo 760. Climb up in here real quick. Turn that down. Alright. So, this is the truck. And this is not a replaceable mattress, but that's like memory foam up there. And then I got memory foam down here, which is really kind of nice. And then the cabinet setup is kind of interesting. Right here is this cabinet. Then there's a desk-like drawer here. This is the fridge. It's a really big fridge. Up here, I'm probably going to be putting a microwave in here, honestly. So, I don't know. I'm thinking about it. It does have a 4,000 watt power inverter though, so that's a lot of power. And then it has these little cubby holes down here, which I kind of like. Up here, I don't like this setup as much. It may take a little bit to kind of build on me. That's like a Freightliner thing. But I do like this netting style here versus, like a glove box style. Same place for the CB as in the KW. It has a nice little power outlet up here though. That's kind of nice. It actually has USB and power right here, power down there. Does not have a glove box. Kind of wish it did. It does have like a little coat hanger right here. I don't know, there's one. Yeah, there is one on this side. I didn't even know that. So yeah, it's actually a really nice truck. The sound system in this truck is really good too. The steering wheel, it has a lot of controls on it. The air horn is right here. This is the first Volvo I've driven, so I don't know if that's a common thing or not. This door latch deal over here, that's actually something I have to get used to, but I actually kind of like that versus having to reach down here and trying to grab a handle. It's just right there. So yeah, I'm driving for Orozco, and this is the truck. So I just got back to the house after doing 30,000 some odd miles. So came back to the house to get the rest of my stuff and doing a 34. So yeah, I got some videos coming. I gotta get my laptop situation taken care of because, as you guys know, it was stolen. My renter's insurance though is actually going to be covering that, a portion of that. I'm still trying to get the details on that though. But yeah, I should be back on the road here tomorrow. That's the game plan anyway. And I'm going to get this video uploaded today, so tomorrow will actually mean tomorrow. So anyway, yeah, that's that. Not really a whole lot to show. I don't really have a whole lot in here. And yeah, this is the company. Like and subscribe. That's going to be it. Thanks for watching. That windshield is absolutely massive, along with these side windows.